Hours after former Union Minister and senior Congress leader P Chidambaram's request for anticipatory bail was rejected by the Delhi High Court on Tuesday, teams from the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate reached his home, fueling speculation that his arrest may be imminent. However, they did not find him there. The Delhi High Court in fact said that facts of the case prima facie reveal that the petitioner is the Kingpin, that is the key conspirator in this case. It is preposterous to say the prosecution of Chidambaram is baseless, politically motivated and act of vendetta. It is a classic case of money laundering. Now, the court also went on to say that this is an economic offence and has to be dealt with iron hands. The case dates back to getting Foreign Investment Promotion Board clearances for foreign funds for INX Media in 2007 when Mr. Chidambaram was finance minister and the FIPB was under him. The allegation is that his son Karti Chidambaram received kickbacks for the clearance coming through. Chidambaram's team has moved the Supreme Court. The legal team has moved the top court. The Chief Justice declined to give an urgent hearing and asked his lawyers to mention this before the senior-most judge mentioned the matter before the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court on Wednesday morning.
At 4 o'clock, he rejected stay. One second. He rejected stay. Now, we have come to court. We requested the Chief Justice. He said, you please move the senior-most judge tomorrow morning.
ने मामला सीमित था केवल जमानत की सुनवाई का एंटीसिपेटरी बेल की अग्रिम जमानत की हाईकोर्ट के पास कोई मुकदमे की ट्रायल नहीं चल रही थी न ही कोई वहां पे सबूत पेश हो रहे थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अर्जी दाखिल की गई है और कल सुबह सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई है चिदम्बरम जी संसद के सदस्य भी हैं पूर्व मंत्री हैं वरिष्ठ व्यक्ति हैं कोई आसमान नहीं टूट रहा 10-12 घंटे के अंदर कि हलचल मचा दी जाए ये मैं कहूंगा चुनकर निशाना लगाया जा रहा है जो इस सरकार का कार्यशैली बन चुकी है
NDTV's Arvind Gunasekar continues to track all the developments of this story. He joins me live from Chidambaram's residence. Arvind, for how long have the teams of probe agencies been there at Chidambaram's house?
Rohit, right after the Delhi High Court order which dismissed P Chidambaram's anticipatory bail in INX Media case and also vacating the interim protection granted to P Chidambaram from arrest in INX Media case, both Central Bureau of Investigation and also the Enforcement Directorate officials landed at P Chidambaram's residence in Jorbagh. And till this moment, both CBI and ED officials, some of the officials are still inside. In fact, CBI officials came around 7 p.m. Around 6-7 officials came from CBI team. What we are hearing is that around 2 officials from CBI are still inside, and what we are also hearing is that even ED officials, some of the ED officials are still inside. We tried speaking to some of the officials who are part of this case in both CBI and Enforcement Directorate, and what we are being told by our sources is that the agency officials are still trying to locate P Chidambaram so that they could proceed ahead as per law in this particular case, as Delhi High Court has vacated the interim protection from arrest in this case, and also they have rejected his anticipatory bail. So another important point what we got to hear from our sources in the both Central Bureau of Investigation and also the Enforcement Directorate is that even if they couldn't find him today, tomorrow when Chidambaram's bail plea is coming for hearing in Supreme Court, they would make this as a ground to oppose his anticipatory bail or the bail plea which he would be moving before the Supreme Court tomorrow, saying that he was not cooperating. Right after the Delhi High Court order, they tried reaching out to him to serve summons or to proceed as per law, but they could not locate him. So they might use this as a ground in tomorrow's hearing at Supreme Court. And Rohit.
All right, Arvind, thanks very much for joining us with those details.